On my menu for today's holiday dinner is a sockeye salmon. And this is 1.5 pounds of wild-caught sockeye salmon. I'm going to be doing an Asian-inspired marinade for this fish. And this marinade contains a lot of great flavors and spices. I've got soy sauce in here, 4 tablespoons, a quarter cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1.5 teaspoons of freshly grated ginger, 2 teaspoons of red pepper flakes, 2 teaspoons of salt, a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 4 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, and 3 scallions chopped up. I'm going to marinate this fish. It came in this handy dandy little container, so once I took the little cryovac seal that was on there off, hey, it's ready. So I'm just going to put the marinade in there. My plan to cook this is on these cedar planks. I'm going to soak these in water for a couple hours before I get ready to grill them. Yes, they're going on the grill. So let me get my marinade out and pour it over my fish. It really imports some really nice flavors to this fish. Then I'll turn it over so those marinated flavors can get all in there. And even though only the skin, I'll still put it on there just to cover. I'll take this fish, I'm going to put it in this plastic bag and put it back in the refrigerator, and we'll take it out in a couple hours. The salmon has been marinating for a couple hours, and I pulled it off, cut it in half, and put it on the cedar planks, awaiting its time on the grill. I've got salmon on the cedar planks, and I have it over the grill grates. Now, I'm told, and people say that you're not supposed to put these cedar planks over direct flame, but I find it works best that way. Because when I do it indirect, I really don't get the flavor of that cedar by the time that my fish is cooked. So this is going to go until done. Be back. We have the finished salmon plank, the cedar plank.